Welcome to BGS Insta YouTube channel. Please support us with a like and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In this video, we will discuss another stunning plus size model Coast Cat biography and facts. Coast Cat is a Canadian boxing coach, educator, fashion model and social media influencer. Coast Cat was born on July 8, 1980 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. She has Italian roots. Coast Cat will be 43 on July 8, 2023. Her astrological sign is Cancer. Coast Cat was born and raised in Toronto, Canada. She first started her modeling career in 2013. Body measurements. Coast Cat stands 5 feet and 9 inches tall. Her bust size is 45 inches, waist size is 43 inches, and hip size is 55 inches. Her dress size is 18, shoe size 10, body type large. She has a beautiful blonde hair and brown eyes color. Her marital status married, nationality Canadian. She first started her modeling career in 2013. The gorgeous Canadian model has starred round runways at Montreal Plus Size Fashion Week, Curvy Expo and many more. She has modeled for some famous modeling brands like Sexy Plus Clothing, Rue 107, Fashion Nova Curve, Rave Dolls, GS Love, Curvy Sense. In Instagram, Coast Cat has more than 365k followers to her self-titled Instagram account, all thanks to her mix of a fashion and lifestyle photos. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.